Since the dawn of time, the new year.
What? You're not ready yet?
When you're super stuck on your New Year prep, you'll need the Grab Super app. But first, let's get you to a hairdresser. Much better. A new year calls for new clothes. Just remember to use GrabPay for 2% back in Grab Rewards points. You can get all sorts of things delivered instantly with GrabMart. CNY snacks like bakwa and pineapple tarts, oranges, drinks, even decorations, furniture, cleaning supplies, and more! Phew! We're not done yet because the new year isn't complete without food! Gloriously auspicious Grab food! Just in time! What? Get all you need for CNY and more from the Grab Super app.